In this video, we'll be going through 30 necessity hidden features there is to know about your brand new Apple Watch, all in just a matter of a couple of minutes. Let's get started.
Notifications can be accessed anywhere. By simply holding down on the top part of the screen for a couple of seconds, it should pop up, scroll all the way up, clear all. That's how you clear them. Control Center can also be accessed anywhere. Tap to the bottom, this will pop up, scroll all the way down, tap edit, you can rearrange them, remove, add, and tap done when you're done. The phone icon will pin and place down on your iPhone. Pressing and holding will allow it to flash so you can find it faster. In case you're done washing your hands and your speakers might be wet, putting it in water lock mode will eject the liquid out of the speaker grills. To change from grid view to list view, go into settings, app view, and here's where you can select that. Having a hard time finding a certain app, just ask Siri to launch it. It can also launch websites as well. When starting a workout, tapping the screen will bypass the 3-second timer. By double tapping the screen, this will create different segments. Pressing the digital crown and the power button at the same time will manually pause the workout and resume back. In the activity app, if you scroll all the way down, you can change your movement goals now. With always on display enabled, you can now tap on the complication to quickly go to the app with a single tap. By double tapping the digital crown will cause it to go back to the previously open app. The app switcher can be accessed by tapping the power button. You may slide left to clear a background app. By going on an app that's acting funny, if you press and hold the power button until you get to this page and tap and hold the digital crown, it will force quit that app. When receiving a notification, if you put your palm over it for a couple of seconds, it will quickly put your device in silent mode as long as you have this setting enabled. Instead of tapping to dismiss an alarm, you can swipe down or put your palm over it for a couple of seconds as well. With nightstand mode, by tapping the little lightning bolt, will show you the exact percentage. The camera app, if equipped, if you use the digital crown, you can switch to the ultra wide lens by zooming out. By enabling chimes, you have the option to allow your watch to buzz you, give you a haptic tap on the hour every 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Enable hand wash mode. Disabled the breeze reminder if you haven't yet, and this becomes annoying. Double tapping the power button will launch Apple Pay. By rotating the digital crown will wake up the display, and if you set your watch to theater mode, you can rotate the digital crown to take a peek of the display. To reorganize your list of Apple Watch watch faces, just press and hold, tap on it once more, and you can rearrange it like so. With speak to time enabled, which you can follow right there to enable that, a 2-finger tap will cause Siri to verbally tell you the time. With the loop band, if you want to protect your screen, you can just wrap it around and place it in your pocket without worrying about damaging the display.
For more Apple Watch goodness, make sure you are subscribed as I got plenty more coming in the near future. In the meantime, if you want to see more, make sure to check out this video over here as I go through some awesome settings that most people actually forget. Go ahead and watch that to find out some more awesome useful features. And then this video over here, that's just a video that YouTube is suggesting specifically for you. Feel free to watch either or. Again, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.